Welcome to ELF Center 5, Designs in Nature theme, spiders.
Okay, Setzer 5 is climbing spiders. It's the craft Setzer. And your goal here is to review the anatomy of spiders and the use of their silk. And so, especially if this is the first Setzer, first rotation they've been through, you might want to ask them some questions about what they know about spiders, what makes spiders different from insects, and anything else that you've read up on that you happen to know that are great facts about spiders. Then what you're going to do is build some climbing spiders. And so in this center, there are the directions how to do that. And a picture of the underside, kind of what it would look like. And there will be laminated templates for you to trace the parts or have students trace the parts. Excuse me. So plenty of paper, plenty of all the different supplies. If you run out of supplies, please immediately email us so we can get that there. Or if it's running low, actually, you should email us before we run out. So what you're going to do is, for the younger kids, beforehand I would have these cut out. You'll need a head and a body. And
I'm sorry, was that called a cephalothorax?
yes, yes indeed. And you'll need 4 pipe cleaners per spider. You'll need 2 small pieces of straw, a black thread or a piece of yarn, and some Scotch tape. And what you're going to build in the end will look like this. On the front, the kids can decorate it. You'll notice that there are 8 eyes. That's an important detail you can discuss with students. You'll notice that there are 8 legs and no antennae. And you'll notice that the back is high-tech construction of tape and straws.
I can see we're going to need some more tape.
We are going to, yep. So, to build it, you will have kids.
This would be an excellent center for 2 parents,
Yes.
maybe even 3.
So you'll have them tape the head, to the body. Not quite so much like that. Tape the head to the body. And then you're going to take your 4 pipe cleaners. And I would highly recommend 2 at a time, the 2 front going ones and the 2 back, and you'll put those, take those onto the head. Whoa, like that.
We need 8 arms.
Yes, and then those can go get bent up, and the kids can do all this part. And then you take the other 2 pipe cleaners. You can take them right there. And those can get bent down, or whatever direction the kids want it to go. Their spider could be all out, just sprawling everywhere. But you get the general idea. Then we're going to tape the straws about 1 inch apart. And
And what's the anatomical term for what those could be?
these are supposed to simulate spinnerets, which is where the silk comes out of. You might discuss that facts that may or may not have been discussed before, that the silk actually starts out in their body as liquid, and as it comes out, it turns into a more solid form. And kind of a representation of the silk coming out is this yarn, which we're all going to hope I can string through.
Yeah. Oh, yay.
Put it through one side. This will definitely, with smaller fingers and dexterity, be an adult helping part. And cross your fingers. There it goes. There we go. So there's the silk that comes out, and you can again have the kids decorate the spider parts, the cephalothorax, and the
Head and cephalothorax.
Head and cephalothorax.
Insects have head, abdomen.
early.
Yes, it is early.
So
Happy Saturday.
then you can put it up on a doorknob or something, and your spider can climb. Da, 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 da.
Ta-da!
So
Fantastic.
this is just a hands-on demonstration and reiteration of the parts of a spider and what makes them unique, and a good crafty thing to take home to advertise ELF and let students have a starting place to talk about what they learned that day in ELF. If you have any questions, you can email us at mitchellelf@gmail.com, and please, 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 when you're running low, don't forget to email us ahead of time. I think that's it. The other thing you want to remember is there's prep ahead of time, and
This would be a good center if it's cold outside instead of center 4, and there's something else. Oh, there's a bin of extra supplies in the ELF closet. So if you're running low on straws or something, check the bin before letting us know. But if you find that we are low, definitely email us. Happy elfing! Yay!